eteta mola this morning. We teta with him nnukwu iwe. Go. Asị na asọkata eze anya ekpuru nkata n'isi wee gwa ya okwu. Go. Onye nji maka ịbịa n'ụtụtụ awụ Ogechi Okeke Njaka, my sister Kewu. Mana, I think it is time somebody gwara gị okwu. And after when as somebody did that mantle to talk to you and put you in your right place. Share this video. You got to go. Makana okwu ha na asanya. Na ndị Igbo si na okwu ha na asanya. Onye ya ekwu ya. You got to go. Ndị Igbo wee kwukwa okwu ọzọ wee sị na alụsị mekata ile agwa ya osisi eji wee tụọ. You got to go. So na ha ji wee kwuo na nwata na-agba egwu na nke ọfịa nwere ife na-ekwere ya egwu, and ife ahụ na-ekwu egwu a ka mmụnwa wezugo bịa n'ụtụtụ aka mmalụ na nwata na-agba egwu surugede marụkwo na surugede wee egwu ndị mmụọ. Abịa m n'ụtụtụ a, let us have it as a conversation. You got to go, because now somebody supposedly ikwu okwu and I have taken it upon myself to talk. Now, when you get this video, can if you decide there, another person knows somewhere it was the source of your unhappiness, like somebody in Webuho one-on-one dealing with, being the source of your unhappiness. The way you sit down and you wish that Ogechi should fight with everybody is what I don't understand. What is your gain? What is your gain? Look at the excitement to do some of you that Ogechi is about to fight with Nwago. Some of you were even suspecting if it was Zion or Akozion, then Onyegu direction, then you rushed. Ufodo manka akpolo onwe Godwin. Manka akpolo onwe Mexico. Ka akpolo onwe Mexico. For nothing. You don't know Ogechi one-on-one. You have not done any business with Ogechi. You don't have any personal thing to do with Ogechi. Yet, you hated her so much that you were willing. This is somebody they follow my page so closely. Look at somebody they follow my page so closely. They send my message. You were willing to give up friendship in build to go because of Ogechi. You have never met, you have never interacted with her, you don't have any business running with her, you don't have any personal problem with her. You were able to give us a family you are building in Ezugo Global TV. To fight Ogechi. You gotta go. And that is what I don't understand. Look, let me tell you people, the day they decide they monetize this page, I have decided on few things. I have decided on few things that will give me engagement. Can we do sure? Now the first money Facebook we are Number one is Ogechi saga with Ezugo. Okarisia, we are going to make it as real as possible. Look, in all these sagas, we are going to share the money 50-50. We will share it equal. Mana ama niye kwe nalum the money niye hapolonya. Ama niye hapolonya. You gotta go. Muna ye ya bankaye continuously for 1 month. Eliye me go nke that month. Then we will go versus Akozion. Ono go na Akozion ya bank ono. In fact, Ngongwa ya dey kwa na ma reply on behalf of Akozion because even now Akozion ya do too busy. He's not a blogger. You gotta go. Ko we can promote zero bitters. Sheta go na ye wo bata zero bitters ni le de saga. Kwa we push ko ye ko we What I go? Nke go na Zion ya last 2 months. Epokoro me go 2 months. Ah, bien naba. Abayi nke go na ndị Zion. What I go? Pia nga ya last for 4 months because nga ya last for 5 months because nga ha ya ebibo. Epokoro me go nke ahụ. Bien naba. What I go? Osubiri between go na Fortunate, Dr. Fortunate Ebushele. Go na ya pia ya. Epokoro me go nke ahụ bien naba. Osubiri between go na Chief Pilot. Etu aka ihe si we arrange the thing, arrange ye solo. What I go so that we can actually make big money out of this. So that we can actually make big money out of this. I think it is time to make money out of all this nonsense. We can't be talking just for nothing. It is time for us to monetize this particular hatred in the world unnecessarily. Look at how Ofodoni Munusi will buy antenna ono. Ono ne wishi no onyo ona ya na Ogechi noro na ya na eseroku. Look at how all of you were thrilled by just a little write-up about Ogechi. Imagine if all yawo no the video itself. That is why you say it is time to make money off you people. Yes, since you decided that you don't want to face your thing, you don't want to somebody no you know where you BP. How else can somebody say a celebrity if not what you people have made Ogechi to be a celebrity with somebody ya wori nibe equal market up equal market everything about his or her lifestyle gives you headache unnecessary even when they don't know that you exist. Look at C. Ronaldo today. Everybody want to analyze C. Ronaldo and the Messi. Everybody want to bring in their own analysis. Now people that doesn't know you. What makes them different from what you are doing in Ogechi? When Ogechi sneeze, you interpret it into 10 different parts. Yeah? Is that not how powerful somebody can be? Look at how she is able to manipulate your emotions. She can also interpret it into 20 different places. Look at how you people have made her a queen. Ruling over you people, which is the kingdom. I don't know what goes on in your mind when she made this video. But wait, don't worry. We will bring it episode by episode. I got you. Another thing only you expect Ogechi. Because it's high time that expectations only are there, but we need to make money off it because we can't just unleash it like that. Then at the end of the day, come meji weje Chicago, weje ngolangole. What I go, Chicago, I can imagine the happiness dunu nime Ogechi na governor Eziokwu na enwe nsogbu, Ogechi na Jepak na enwe nsogbu, Ogechi na I wonder the kind of happiness unu na if unu na ego. Have you people ever bothered that Nandini na jubilate over if you na Facebook that some of them are 20 times better than you that is enjoying that saga? Yeah? Look at Ogechi na emelo onwe ife, Jepak na emelo onwe ife, Governor Eziokwu onye ọna na emelo onwe ife ye, ngonwa nọrọ na Facebook na ata amosu na akụ aka atimbe na aka ọnụ. Yeah? Ndị Igbo onye gburu nwanne ya ahụ odogwu. Onye gburu nwanne ya abụrụ odogwu. I don't know why unu ye ji wee sukere ana. Isi ife unu ya da plan wo downfall mmadụ. Ụfọdụ n'ime unu awụrụ n'ududu beru na amụ nọ letu a na monitor Ogechi any movement or monitor. Yeah? Any movement or monitor una na akụkọ ihe so ndị nya na enwe okwu. Yeah? Can happen here about, but I'm just telling you people, any day I monetize this page, one with the haters na this page, ego, and the major gam, me put something yado remarkable yao, na no what I'm this thing or na phone, because we go with a carry there, or carry here to or carry take note. It is high time we open an office na Facebook. I waste go time with what people are making money with. Imagine when other people are making money with all these things. We are just doing this video. Yeah? It is time for us to re-strategize and make real money out of this Facebook with all these haters. No haters. No haters na ego. Now lovers we ego, but na haters we engage. Now you push more than any other person. Some of them may drop 20 comments in one video. People like we just hail you and then say Gabaniru, drop their comment and move away. But when they hate you, one person may drop 50 comments. Have you seen? Is that not engagement? And they are ever, look at how they are awake like an ego, waiting on pages evangelism Kobe, pages linked to Zion to drop one video. Look at how they are. They are even more active in that. They are even more active in open heaven than on Goma Hanafo as a lover of evangelism Kobe. That is to show you what hatred and haters can do. Can happen here because, like I said, I have something I am doing right now. In fact, when I am fully back, you will know that I am back. You got to go. My fans, I have regularly. There is nothing. I'm just engaged in something very serious. You got to go. Which, like I said, I will be on very neat anytime. You got to go. So I'll catch you people later.